25. Amaging facts of physics, from bending time and space to unraveling the strange behavior of particles smaller than atoms, physics reveals the secret rules that shape our universe. Every day, the world around you is governed by invisible laws, from the way sunlight reaches your eyes to the incredible energies unleashed in the stars. Get ready to have your mind blown as we journey through 25 amazing physics facts that prove just how fascinating this science can be. Fact number 1. Did you know that when you look at the sun, you're actually seeing it as it was in the past? That's right. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel the 150 million kilometers to Earth. This means that every sunrise and sunset is a glimpse into history. The sunlight that warms your face left the sun more than 8 minutes ago. The universe is so vast that even light, the fastest thing there is, needs time to cross these immense distances. Fact number 2. Let's talk about cold. Really cold, absolute zero, the lowest temperature possible is 273.15 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, atomic motion comes to a halt. Atoms stop vibrating and energy reaches its theoretical minimum. While absolute zero can't be reached in practice, scientists have come incredibly close in laboratories, freezing atoms so thoroughly that the strange rules of quantum mechanics begin to dominate. Fact number 3. Gravity may feel strong. It keeps us anchored to Earth and governs the dance of planets and stars. But in truth, it's astonishingly weak compared to other forces. Electromagnetism, for example, is about a trillion times stronger than gravity. That's a 1 followed by 36 zeros. It's why a tiny magnet can pick up a paperclip, defying the gravitational pull of the entire planet. Fact number 4. Sound is another everyday phenomenon that behaves in surprising ways. Underwater, sound travels about 4 times faster than it does through air. This is because water molecules are more densely packed, allowing sound waves to transmit their energy more efficiently. That's why whales can communicate across vast distances in the ocean, using low-frequency sounds that travel for hundreds of miles. Fact number 5. If you could travel near the speed of light, something even stranger would happen. Time itself would slow down for you. This is called time dilation, a mind-bending consequence of Einstein's theory of relativity. To someone watching from Earth, your clock would tick more slowly than theirs. Astronauts on fast-moving spaceships would actually age a tiny bit less than people left behind on Earth, a difference that becomes noticeable only at extreme speeds. Fact number 6. Light behaves in truly bizarre ways. The photon, a particle of light, can act both as a particle and a wave, a phenomenon called wave-particle duality. In experiments like the famous double-slit experiment, photons create interference patterns, behaving like waves, yet also arrive in discrete packets, behaving like particles. This quantum strangeness is at the very heart of modern physics. Fact number 7. As you approach the speed of light, not only does time slow down, but mass itself increases. An object moving faster and faster becomes harder and harder to accelerate, because its mass grows. This is another prediction of Einstein's relativity, and it's why nothing with mass can ever reach the speed of light. It would require infinite energy. Fact number 8. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the cosmos. Their gravity is so intense that they warp the very fabric of space and time. Near a black hole, time slows dramatically compared to the outside universe. This warping of space-time is so extreme that even light can't escape, making black holes invisible except for their effects on nearby stars and gas. Fact number 9. One of the most famous equations in science, E equals mc squared, tells us that mass and energy are two sides of the same coin. Under the right conditions, mass can be converted to energy and vice versa. This principle powers the sun, nuclear reactors, and even the atomic bomb. Fact number 10. Superconductors are materials that, when cooled to extremely low temperatures, allow electric current to flow with zero resistance. This property enables remarkable phenomena like magnetic levitation, where a magnet can float above a superconductor. Superconductors are paving the way for futuristic technologies, from maglev trains to powerful medical imaging machines. Fact number 11. Quantum entanglement is one of the strangest effects in physics. When two particles become entangled, changes to one instantly affect the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. Though it sounds like science fiction, entanglement has been observed in laboratories and is the basis for emerging technologies like quantum computing and ultra-secure communication. Fact number 12, you might not realize it, but you actually weigh slightly less at the equator than at the poles. This is due to the Earth's rotation and its slightly flattened shape. The centrifugal force at the equator and the greater distance from Earth's center combine to reduce your weight by a tiny but measurable amount. Fact number 13, here's a paradox. Under certain conditions, hot water can freeze faster than cold water. This is called the Mpemba effect, and it's still not completely understood. Factors like evaporation, convection, and supercooling all play a role, but scientists are still unraveling the full mystery. Fact number 14, gyroscopes resist changes in orientation due to angular momentum. This principle is what helps bicycles stay upright and makes spacecraft navigation possible. Once spinning, a gyroscope will maintain its direction, making it an invaluable tool in everything from navigation systems to smartphones. Fact number 15, time doesn't tick at the same rate everywhere. On a mountain top where gravity is weaker, time passes slightly faster than at sea level. This effect, though tiny, is measurable using atomic clocks and is taken into account in technologies like GPS. The fact number 16. Even the emptiest vacuum isn't truly empty. Quantum fluctuations cause virtual particles to pop in and out of existence, creating a seething, energetic foam even in the void of space. These fluctuations can have real effects, like the Casimir effect, observed in precision experiments. Fact feed number 17. The double-slit experiment is a cornerstone of quantum mechanics. When light passes through two narrow slits, it creates an interference pattern, behaving like a wave. But when observed, it acts like a particle. This paradoxical behavior challenges our understanding of reality itself. Fact number 18. Refraction is the bending of light when it passes from one material to another, like air to water. This bending is why a straw appears bent in a glass of water. Refraction is crucial to the design of lenses, glasses, cameras, and even our own eyes. Fact number 19. Nuclear fission is the process of splitting heavy atoms like uranium to release vast amounts of energy. This power is harnessed in nuclear reactors to generate electricity and, in a destructive form, fuels nuclear weapons. Fact number 20. Some physicists believe that all particles are actually tiny, vibrating strings. String theory aims to unify all forces of nature into a single framework, offering the tantalizing possibility of a theory of everything. Fact number 21. Plasma is the fourth state of matter, an ionized gas found in stars, lightning, and neon signs. In plasma, electrons are freed from atoms, creating a soup of charged particles that respond to electric and magnetic fields. Fact number 22. Sound can't travel in the vacuum of space. Without molecules to carry vibrations, sound waves simply can't move. So, in space, no one can hear you scream, a fact that's both unsettling and scientifically fascinating. Fact number 23. Magnets lose their strength when heated, as the random motion of atoms disrupts the alignment of magnetic domains. At a certain temperature, the Curie point, magnetism vanishes entirely. Fact number 24. The laws of thermodynamics govern all energy transformations, from engines to ecosystems. They explain why some processes are irreversible, why perpetual motion is impossible, and why the universe tends toward greater disorder. The fact number 25. As your speed increases, your mass increases too. Another extraordinary result of Einstein's theory of relativity. This means the faster you go, the heavier you get, making high-speed travel a real challenge at cosmic scales. Physics is much more than equations and experiments. It's the hidden architecture behind everything you see, feel, and experience. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Which fact amazed you the most? Let us know and keep exploring the fascinating world of physics.